Okay, guys, let's continue with this book, Basic English Grammar, third edition. And now we're going to continue in the page. Let me see what is the page. Okay, page 18. Okay, so this is B plus a place. So Maria is here. So B is a place here at the library. So those are places. Okay, here at the library. So Maria is here. Bob is at the library. So in A, here is a place. In B, at the library is a place. So B is often followed by a place. Is here, is at the library. Okay, so Maria, so you can say Maria is here, Maria is there, downstairs, upstairs, inside, outside, downtown. Where is Maria? Maria is in downtown, right? So a place may be one word, as in the examples in C, here, okay? Also, we have preposition plus noun. So at, on, in, at, next to, those are prepositions, okay? So plus noun. So Bob is at the library. Bob is on the bus. Bob is in his room. Okay, Bob is at work. Bob is next to Maria. So a place may be a prepositional phrase. Preposition plus noun, like here. Okay. Okay, so we have the prepositions. This is super easy. So the ball is on. The ball is on the box. Here, the ball is in the box, right? And here, the ball is next to the box, right? He is above, under, and behind. Some people say behind. You can say behind or behind. It's the same, okay? So these are some common prepositions. Above, as you see, at, behind, between, from, in, next to, on, and under. Okay? Okay, exercise 25, sentence practice. Okay, so you have to complete the sentences with preposition that describe the pictures. So use each preposition only once. For example, in. So the cat is in the desk. As you can see, the cat is in the desk. Let's see number 2. The cat is, what is the cat? So let's say the cat is under, right? So let me type under. Okay, so the cat is under the table. Sorry, under the desk. This is a desk, right? Number 3, the cat is on. The cat is on the desk, right? And number 4 is the cat is, let's see the preposition, next to, right? Next to. Next to, right? Next to, okay. The cat is next to the desk, right? And number 5, as you can see, the cat is above. Is the preposition above? Yes, above. Okay, above. Because the cat, if you see the picture, the cat is on the monitor, right? On the monitor, but we are talking about desk. So the cat is above the desk. Okay, above the desk. And number 6, the cat is behind, right? The cat is behind, okay, behind the desk. And number 7, the cat is between, right? Let me see the preposition between. So the cat is between the desks, right? Perfect. Good job. Okay, exercise 26. This is a class activity. Okay, you have to do it as a class. Okay, exercise 27 is pair work. So work with a partner. Okay, let's see. Okay, the summary. So this is the summary. Basic sentence partners with we. So the subject is I or he or we, right? They, she, whatever. Those are the subjects. And the form of the be is, in this case, I am. I am. Okay. Noun, student. Student is a noun. Okay. He is intelligent. So adjective, intelligent. Noun, student. So also we have subject plus be plus a place. We are in class. She is upstairs. Okay, so the noun or pronoun that comes at the beginning of a sentence is called the subject. Okay, and be is a verb. Almost all English sentences have a subject and a verb. That's very important. And notice in the examples, there are three basic completions for sentences that begin with a subject, plus the verb be, a noun, an adjective, or an expression of place, as in C and D. In class upstairs. Okay? All right, so exercise 28 sentence practice. Write the form of be, am, is, or are that is used in each sentence, then write the grammar structure that follows be. For example, we're students. Are plus a noun. Students, the word student is a noun, right? Anna is in Rome, so is plus a place. Rome is a place. I'm hungry. Am plus an adjective. Hungry is an adjective. What about number 4? Dogs are animals. So dogs. So here is are plus noun. Right? Animals. Students. Those are nouns. Okay. Jack is a home. So is, right? Is plus home is a place, right? He's sick. So is, and sick is adjective, right? They're artists. So are artists is a noun, right? Okay, perfect. Number 8, I'm in class. I'm right here, right? And class, what is a class? Is a place? No. Is an adjective? No. Class is a noun, right? What about number 9? Gina is upstairs. So is upstairs. As you see here, upstairs, here is a place, right? Perfect. Place. Okay, number 10. Joe's pockets are empty. Okay, so here I have to put are. I have to put are. And what about the word empty? Empty is not a place, right? So empty is not a noun. So empty is an adjective, right? Adjective. Great. Okay, now, exercise 29, listening. Okay, now let's do this exercise 29, listening. So let's play the audio. So you have to practice saying them yourself. So is and are often constructed with nouns in spoken English. So listen to the sentences. This is very important. Okay, let me play the audio.
Page 22. Is and are are often contracted with nouns in spoken English. Listen to the sentences. Practice saying them yourself. 1,
Grammar's easy.
So grammar is easy, grammar's easy. Okay?
2,
My name's John.
3,
My books are on the table.
4,
My brother's 21 years old.
5,
The weather's cold today.
6,
The windows are open.
7,
My money's in my wallet.
8,
Mr. Smith's a teacher.
9,
Mrs. Lee's at home now.
10,
The sun's bright today.
11,
Tom's at home right now.
12,
My roommates are from Chicago.
13.
My sister's a student in high school.
Okay. Exercise 30, listening. So now we have to listen to the sentences and then circle the correct answer. Okay, A, B, or C. So we have to be sure that we listen carefully. Okay, let me play the audio.
Circle the completions you hear. Example.
My friend's from Korea. B apostrophe S.
Okay,
1,
The test's easy.
so it's B, the test.
2,
My notebook is on the table.
My notebook is
3,
My notebooks are on the table.
R.
4,
Sue's a student.
B.
5,
The weather is warm today.
The weather is
6,
The windows are open.
7,
My parents are from Cuba.
B.
8,
My cousins are from Cuba too.
R here.
9,
My book's on my desk.
My books.
10,
The teachers are in class.
The teachers in class. Okay, I'm going to play again the audio and try to listen carefully. Okay.
Circle the completions you hear. Example.
My friend's from Korea. B apostrophe S.
1,
The test's easy.
2,
My notebook is on the table.
3,
My notebooks are on the table.
4,
Sue's a student.
5,
The weather is warm today.
6,
The windows are open.
7,
My parents are from Cuba.
8,
My cousins are from Cuba too.
9,
My book's on my desk.
10.
The teachers are in class.
Okay, exercise 31, sentence review. So you have to complete the sentence and then you have to correct each other's sentences. Okay, I'm gonna just do two as example. Okay, you have to do the rest of this sentence review. For example, an animal. So let's say, let's say a dog is, right? A dog is an animal, right? All right. Okay, there you go. A dog is an animal, right? The number two, Sue is here, right? And now you have to complete this, and that's all for today. This was the whole unit one from this book, Basic English Grammar. I hope that you are learning a lot with this video. Please subscribe, share with your friends, leave a comment, share with your friends, and see you in another video. See you next time. Remember, knowledge is power.